I think every business, to be honest, every business should have a cleaning company. Sometimes they do it in-house, but it's never going to be the same as a protocol that a business company does have and follows. For healthcare, I think the sanitizing, we're supposed to sanitize every hospital room, exam room. We have a new building with operation rooms as well. So we have to use special chemicals. We have to bunny up and to be able to clean blood, mucus, and stuff like that they're used in the operating room. For a facility of food, also I think it should be very high standards when it comes to sanitation. There's a lot of people eating from the same fork, from the same spoon. So the cleanliness should be high quality. The pricing, it depends on square footage. There's some buildings that are more difficult than others because sometimes it's very open space. We can talk about 1,000 square feet and there could be maybe 50 cubicles in there, which implies 50 trash, 50 desktops that we have to clean. And there also can be the same 1,000 square feet, but only with 3 desks with a lot of open spaces. So the price, it ranges there. Also, it ranges if it's a hospital because the level of cleanliness is supposed to be much higher and above than a normal office cleaning.